I'm going to show you how to cut unusual shapes out of Perspex to fit in this cast iron window. First of all, I'm going to place a piece of paper underneath there. Taking my pencil, I'm going to scribe around the outside edge, but this isn't big enough. So I'm going to bring it out and then draw another line about 8mm around the outside. I'll cut this out with my scissors, check that it fits. Once you're happy with that, do the same with the other shapes. Double check that they all fit in the other openings. Then you can transfer that shape onto your Perspex. Using a jigsaw, cut around. Once it's cut, place it into position. If you're happy with that, continue cutting the rest of your pieces until it's complete. If you've got any rough edges on there, you can take the edges off using a hand file. If you're looking for more 60-second tips, head over to our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.